Hello, YouTube. This is Renee with True Circle Farms. I have a question for all of you, but first, I want to start off by the issue with the price of eggs nowadays. At my local Dollar General, these eggs cost me $4.55. So I told my kids if these eggs get to $5 at my local Dollar General, I will no longer purchase eggs. I don't know what I'm going to substitute my meals and stuff with, or if I'm going to try to find a local farmer where I can get his eggs and hopefully at a cheaper price. But so I guess my question would be to you guys is what is your stopping price for the price of how much you would pay for eggs? I do know that in other states they're already up to $8 for a carton of eggs. And maybe in some states it's even higher than that. So that's my question to you. How much will you pay for a carton of eggs?